Everyone thinks the best-selling top-load washer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, WeGoUp Flat Washers Set. The WeGoUp 900-piece stainless steel flat washers caught my eye right away. At just $6.98, it's budget-friendly for anyone needing a reliable assortment for various projects. If you want a comprehensive washer set that covers all your needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 900 pieces in 9 sizes, you won't have to run to the store mid-project. These washers are made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, meaning they won't rust or wear out, even in tough conditions. You can use them for home repairs, furniture assembly, or even outdoor projects. Plus, over 3,000 units have sold this month, indicating they're trusted by many. This genuinely surprised me because I expected something less sturdy for that price. Now, some people complained about the size variety not being enough for larger projects. Here's the thing though, while it might not have every size under the sun, the most common sizes are all here, making it a great starter set for most DIYers. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or just need an emergency repair kit. Skip this one if you're looking for a specialized washer for unique applications. For the price, it's hard to beat this value. Now, if the size variety of the WeGoUp set concerns you, the next option offers a more specialized approach. Product number 2, Yihuang Tools Washer Door Prop. The Yihuang Tools Washer Door Prop, priced at $8.99. This caught my attention because it tackles a problem many front-load washer users face: odors caused by dampness. If you want to keep your washer clean and fresh, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This door prop features a strong magnet and a flexible hose that keeps your washer door ajar. This airflow prevents moisture buildup, which is key for avoiding unpleasant smells. The 360-degree adjustable hose lets you customize the angle to fit your washer perfectly, and its sturdy design means it won't slip or fall. With thousands sold last month, it seems many people trust its effectiveness. Now, some users found the magnetic base not strong enough for their models. Here's the thing though, it's designed for front-load washers with magnetic metal panels, so if you've got a different type, it won't work as well. For those who own compatible models, it's a great solution. This is perfect for you if you're tired of musty smells in your laundry room. Skip this one if your washer is made from non-magnetic materials. For the functionality it provides, the price is reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for ensuring your appliances look good too.
Product number 3, Levashua Door Stopper. The Levashua Door Stopper is another fantastic option at just $7.99. This caught my eye because it also helps with ventilation, which is crucial for maintaining your washer's longevity. If you want fresh air for your washer, this could be perfect. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its super strong magnet keeps the door open, allowing better airflow and reducing moisture. This means less chance of mold or odors forming inside your washer. The flexible hose is adjustable, so you can shape it to fit your specific washer door angle, making it versatile for various models. It's great to see how many people are opting for this, showing it's a strong contender. Now, some reviews mentioned it not working well for certain larger models. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard front-load washer, you should be good to go. If you have a big model, it might not hold up as well. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your washer smelling fresh and don't mind a bit of customization. Skip this one if your washer is larger or has a unique door design. For its price and function, it's a great deal. Now, if you're looking for something that protects your appliances from damage, the next product is exactly what you need.
Product number 4, CSK Washer Dryer Covers. The CSK washer and dryer covers are priced at $9.99, and honestly, they caught my attention because they offer style and protection for your appliances. If you want to keep your machines looking good while preventing damage, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These covers are specifically designed to fit 150+ popular top-load washers, ensuring a snug fit. The absorbent top layer catches spills, and the rubber base prevents slipping or sliding. Plus, they come in multiple colors, matching your laundry room's aesthetic. This means you don't have to compromise on looks for functionality, and with positive feedback from users, they're a hit. Now, some might find them a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, the protection they offer far outweighs that minor inconvenience. If you value your appliances, this cover is worth having. This is perfect for you if you want to maintain the look of your laundry area while protecting your machines. Skip this one if you prefer a minimalist approach or if your appliances are in a tight space. Considering the coverage it provides, it's a solid buy. Finally, if you want a product that helps with repair, the next item is quite unique.
Product number 5, Fikoon Washer Damping Kit. We have the Fikoon 3.5-ounce washing machine damping grease, priced at $16.99. This one stood out because it provides a DIY solution for those annoying washer vibrations. If you want to silence your machine during spin cycles, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This damping grease restores your washer's shock-absorbing capability, significantly reducing noise and movement. The dual-color foam inserts fit various suspension rod gaps, ensuring this product works with many top-load models. Plus, the grease formula is designed to be long-lasting, meaning fewer repairs down the line. With over 100 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among DIYers. Now, some users found it a bit messy to apply. Here's the thing though, with a little care, the results can be well worth it. For those willing to tackle the application, it's a great fix. This is perfect for you if you're handy and want to save on costly repairs. Skip this one if you're uncomfortable with DIY fixes. For the peace of mind it offers, it's a worthwhile investment.
So to sum it all up, we've looked at the We Go Up flat washers for basic needs, Huang tools and Levashua door props for odor prevention, CS Kai covers for keeping your machines pristine, and the Fikoon damping grease for DIY repairs. Each of these has unique benefits, so think about what you need. Happy washing!